Eric Backer, the naturopath. Thanks for coming back to my channel. Always appreciate it. So, there's a question I regularly get asked by people. I still get this question put through the YouTube channel just as much as I did when I was seeing patients. And the question is, should I take Candida Restore even after my candida's cleared up, even after I'm feeling better, like even if my bloating's gone and the gas is gone and my head's feeling in a better place, I'm sleeping better, and should I stop? Well, it's up to you, but the key thing is with probiotics and with enzymes or with any kind of a thing like that is you need to stay on it long enough to get full benefit from it as you're working towards improving your diet and lifestyle to a higher and higher level where you don't need supplements anymore. Many people don't need supplements that have got their life in a very good shape. So, as they say, only take if necessary. Only take on recommendation of a practitioner. Many people are not in a really good place, and that's why they take Candida products to get them into a good place, and then they don't need them anymore. The whole idea about supplements is to use them as a supplement and then to get off them. But the question is, how long do you take them for? The answer to that is as long as you get benefit from them. So when you cease taking them, if the benefit reverses, and if you don't get benefit anymore and you're regressing, you're going back to getting symptoms again, then you could think about slowly starting them up again until you look at the leaks and the holes in your lifestyle or diet that need plugging up. Or maybe you need a medical treatment or surgery, or you could be on medications, or I'm not sure what your situation is out there. Because there's a million scenarios like there are a million people. So every single person is different. So I generally tell patients the last supplement to stop is Candida Restore, which is an enzyme probiotic formulation. When I first recommended this formula a long time ago, when I was looking at designing supplements, these sorts of supplements didn't exist. And when I posed the question a long time ago in America if it would be possible to make a supplement that could contain enzymes and probiotics, I was told it was just madness. And now it's become the norm. Not that my product was the first of its kind, but one of the first of its kind. And you'll see that the combination of these two elements works exceedingly well in the digestive system. The only benefits, the only downfall I see with some people, they could get a little bit of reflux or heartburn occasionally, that particularly if they take 2 or more capsules as a single dose. But apart from that, there's no problem with this supplement. So when you no longer have benefit, all right, stop the supplement for a while, maybe for a month or 6 weeks, and see how you go. And if you slide back or regress, just start up again. Thanks for tuning in.